Hello everyone, this is Stars of Knowledge Learner channel. Guys, today we are here with the review of today's exam, that is 24th October 2020. So let's start the review of today's exam. So ये सीगा आज the exam the review. Guys, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications, and also please दूसरे channel ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ subscribe ਕਰੋ so that ਉੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ listening ਤੇ reading ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ test ਪਾਈਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ practice ਕਰੋ before the exam. They will be very helpful for you. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video. Thank you students. Thanks a lot. Thank you.